Let's create methods in Python classes. Let's begin by creating our class. We can call it class calculation. The constructor. Then we can add two parameters, number 1 and number 2. Now self dot number 1 is equals to number 1, self dot number 2 is equals to number 2. Then we can create a method. We can call the method sum numbers. Can have self as the parameter. Then we can write some lines. Say sum is equals to number 1 plus 1, 2. Then we can say print sum. So we can instantiate. You can say my calculations. Then you can pass 50 and 70. So we can call the method you can just say my calc dot sum. Now let's run this and see. As you can see, it has printed 120 as the sum of the two numbers, 50 plus 70. You can even do this and say the sum is then plus then sum. If you run this, as we formatted, this is the sum. We can define another method so this method will multiply number 1 and number 2. You can say product is equals to times sum and to print then you say plus string product. Now, as you can see, we have added a second method. This is our second method. The first method will sum numbers. Second method will multiply the numbers. So here we call method 1, now we'll call method 2. You can say my calc dot our method is called multnum. If you run this, you get the product is this 3500. You can also add another method. You can call it our third method as subtraction. Can say subtraction is equals to self dot number minus self dot number. Then you can print the difference is, then you can add string subtraction. Remember to convert these values to strings because these are integers. This is an integer, this is an integer, this is an integer. So we use this function string to convert it into a string. So let's run our third method. You can say my calc dot subtract 1. Let's run this and see. You get the difference is this negative 120. Let's add another method. We can call it get remainder. What we can do is define get remainder. Then here we can say remainder is equals to, we want to divide the second number with the first number. So we can say self dot num2 divided by, no, we'll use this modulo symbol, self dot num1. Then we'll print the remainder is plus string rem. Let's call the fourth method we just say my calc dot get remainder. If you run this, get the remainder is 20. If you take that if you divide the two, divide 70 by 50, you get 1 and 20 will be remaining. So the 20 is the remainder. That is modulo operator with the percentage symbol. So this is our code. We've created a class. Then we created our constructor here. First method will sum the two numbers and print the sum. Second method will multiply the two numbers and display the product. The third method will subtract number 1 from number 2 and display the difference. And our last method will use the percentage symbol, which is the modulo operator, to divide number 2 by number 1 and display the remainder. So if we don't want to display we just want to display the number of times number 1 can go into number 2, we can use another operator. Let's say fifth method, define so we'll say exact is equals to self dot num2, then we divide that, we use double slash box, then self dot num1, then we'll print that print exact times is equals to plus exact so we can call method 4 method 5 and just say make out dot exact num, which is the fifth method here. Let's run this and see. Okay, I forgot to convert this to string, so we can type string. Run this again, get one time. If you divide 50 will go into 70 one time. So That's it for today.